Now I would like you to look at the bottom of page 138. What we're going to do here in activity 3 is we are going to analyze an essay. And we're going to take a look at what a single comparison paragraph might look like versus a longer essay. But before you read the paragraph and its longer expanded essay, please review the vocabulary words. You might need these vocabulary words to better understand the essay. So now I recommend that you turn the video off and you review the vocabulary words. Okay, now that you're back, I would like you to read paragraph 6.1, which is comparing the weather in Chicago and Miami. And then when you're finished, look at essay 6.1, and you will see that the information is very similar, but in the essay, they develop the points of comparison into more detail. So read these two pieces of writing, the paragraph and then the essay, and take a look at the differences. And when you finish that, I would like you to turn to page 140 and complete questions 1 through 6. Questions 1 to 6 is asking you to analyze the comparison essay. It's a really good activity to compare or to closely review and analyze essays so you can take those ideas and apply them to your writing.